Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And whenever Leo is here, we're going to learn more about the Hakka culture through idioms. 有你在呢，又要請教你一些客家的谚語，對不對？
多學一些老祖宗的智慧。
沒錯，讓自己也更有智慧。好，那今天要教什麼呢？
今天要教的就有點悲傷。
這是比較大家都要碰到的一件事情嘛？你這樣子的
早晚都要碰到。
I see. All right. So Leo is going to teach us an idiom that eventually all of us have to face. And I have a feeling, just by his expression, it may have to do something with death.
對。
請說今天要教的諺語是。
好，菜上色嚟絲兩肉，當高時候知足藥。
哇哦，好繞口哦！菜上絲誒絲流量，什麼東西對不對？然後什麼後面當高時候知足藥。哦，
這句話的意思就是說，活着的時候呢，吃4兩肉，都抵得過你死後啊，就祭拜豬羊。
哦，4兩肉啊，那個4兩肉哦，那4兩肉 ，OK。與其在這個過世後辦一個很大的一個祭典，還不如在有生之年的時候吃個4兩肉，
孝順父母，對對，就是給他吃一個很簡單的東西，都是一個很好的一個孝道。
Okay, that is true. You know, in the Chinese culture, when our parents pass away, we would hold funerals, and a lot of times people would sacrifice a lot of pigs, pork, and lamb, and a lot of meat to pay respect to your parents. But in this idiom, it's teaching us to not do that too much, but to actually be nice and treat your parents to a better life during their living years, as opposed to doing it after they pass away. 这是很好提醒人家的一个谚語啦，對不對？
就是說的孝順真的要及時。
沒錯。Okay, let's hear the explanation in English.
Better a smidgen of meat while you're living than a whole hog or lamb at your funeral. This saying means that meat is better used as food while you're alive than as funeral sacrifices when you're dead. By implication, while your parents are still with you, you should do your best to take care of them. It's meaningless to hold a big funeral using pigs and sheep as sacrifices because your parents aren't there to enjoy it anymore.
And let's have Leo repeat this idiom one more time.
菜上色嚟絲兩肉，
菜上色嚟絲兩肉，
當高時候知足藥，
當高時候知足藥。There you go, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.